Uh,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
but this part we have not done now. First part we have done now. Check
Yes,
better.
sir.
Please check better. This page I have taught you now.
Number 12.
This one we have completed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand better this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Better than
Yes,
this
sir.
problem, same model, please. You see, in the above problem, when first drop is touching the ground, ninth drop beta comes out. I'm asking you separation between second and seventh drop. Suraj beta, Suraj is there? Suraj.
Sir.
Beta, yesterday it become too late, beta, 11:30 when I become free. I thought that not to call at that time. Your mommy, daddy may get, so beta will feel. So today, beta, I will sit. Okay, now at 5 o'clock only I will sit, beta. My class will be over. Okay, star batch is 2:30 to 5. 5 o'clock, beta, I will sit with you. Okay?
Hello, sir.
One second, beta, one by one. Okay, Suraj. I wanted to send message, but you have sent. Oh, God.
Sir, Shivamani, sir.
I have seen. Suraj,
Sir, will the college starts?
एक मिनट, I'm
Sir, they told no reopening, no, sir.
एक second, beta. Let me talk to him. Okay, na? 1 minute I will take just. Suraj, listening, beta? So today, beta, I will pakka guarantee it. Actually, yesterday night I want to send message, but you have sent on general one, not your personal one. It was this one was in group. I thought putting in group at that one also in so late night, not good. Today, beta, I will sit. Answer is already there. Means I'm in my brain. It is there. It is damn easy. But okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
I would be thinking that why sir has not given answer. You may be thinking.
No, sir.
You have sent at 10, 15 or 10:20. You have sent message. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
At that time, I means what to say to you. My timetable. At that time, I was doing puja. Anyhow, now next beta, next child, please tell me.
Sir, what about college opening, sir?
Beta, if I would know, let's
Sir, they told no reopening, no, sir. First, they are thinking, first, sir, means 12th class are not still promoted, no, sir.
Okay, you people speak. Then
Sir, one thing can I say, sir?
you people tell, then last I will speak.
Sir, means this 12th outgoing, their advance is not yet done, no, sir. So first they're thinking about this degree and inter second year colleges. Then they'll think about us, sir. Now present for us, no colleges.
Who has told? From where you
There
got?
will some news channels are telling, sir.
Government.
Government has told.
Yes, sir.
Acha beta.
Sir, and one more thing. Someone called me yesterday 2:30, sir, night.
Are babare.
I don't know, means from our pay, means our students or someone else, sir. Means number is ending with 1654.
Okay, what is your name, beta?
Sir, Anish, sir.
Anis, Anis, beta, tell.
Sir, someone called it 2:30 in the night, sir.
Are in your class many funny boys are there. I have seen.
Yes, sir.
Many funny are there, beta.
Means anyone ending with number 1654, I wanted to ask, sir.
I want. Okay, you tell full number. I will find out.
Sir, 9433
9433
701
701
654.
654. Okay, beta, I will send it to central office. I'll find
Somewhere
out.
from Kerala it came, sir.
Kerala.
Yes, sir.
This number belong to Kerala. There may be beta. Whole India, total India. They are studying in Narayana, beta, from Bihar.
That's why I wanted to confirm, sir, if it is student from our Narayan or not.
No. What he?
Sir, in Truecaller it is showing SK, sir.
Yes, sir. Some
Truecaller
SK is showing.
SK.
I didn't follow you, beta. It is showing
Sir, in Truecaller, if you press the number, it is showing SK.
SK.
Yes, sir.
इसका meaning है बेटा it was a fraud.
Shake.
हाँ, it will be fake because एक तो very odd time they have called you. Okay, I myself wanted to discuss problems with Suraj, but it was 11:30. I have not called better. The reason is Suraj may be studying at that time, no problem, but his parents will think na what type of teacher
Yes,
he
sir.
is. So I have not done. Even message also not sent.
Sir, that SK is not from our class, sir, because that number is not there in our
In the
group.
group also not there, sir.
हाँ बेटा, it is fake बेटा.
Fake, sir. Some like
नहीं,
customer care
someone
or
else,
someone wrong number.
हाँ, and
Not Narayana, sir.
never sent. Okay बेटा, don't care, don't think at all. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
any other question? Over beta, we'll come back to where we're studying. My any child who didn't understand this, so dekh le beta. My whole children.
Sir, can you
Quran
please
beta.
say briefly, sir, that?
May I repeat beta?
Yes, sir. Once repeat, sir, like briefly.
Look, ये Sri here.
Yes, sir.
Srihit, beta, which problem you are asking, beta?
Sir, yesterday I sent you one problem. You told you'll call evening.
Oh, एक second, beta. I'm searching problem.
Above
Sir,
PDF is there, no, sir.
कहाँ है problem, beta?
Shall I send you again, sir?
No, PDF में है क्या?
Yes, sir. Fourth one.
एक minute, beta. Let me see. If it will be useful for my class, then I will do in the class. Oh, this is not useful, beta. After 3 weeks, I will be teaching on this topic in your class. Not now, means nearly 1 month it will take.
Sir, if you have time after the class, you explain, sir.
अरे मेरा ही पेपर है बेटा. I will do it. What is there?
Okay, sir.
I will tell you, no, this is a star batch paper. Previous Sunday, नहीं, उसका previous Sunday.
20.
हाँ, 28 dated. हाँ बेटा, this problem I can't do in the class. I will do separately only for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Only in the evening I can do. 5 o'clock I have told to Suraj. After that I will see better. Because it is related to river boat, relative motion problem.
Not getting drift in that, sir.
Beta, advanced level problem it is. How will you get in 2 lines? I will explain, then you will understand. Okay?
Okay.
ओके, 1 मिनट. लड़कियों के बैच में 31 में से 1 मिनट देखें.
Sir, orthogonal to each other means what, sir? Orthogonal.
Asked beta, now over everyone's doubt, concentrate on whatever problem is visible on the screen.
This I understood, sir. You explained, no, sir. I understood this question.
Medhans, 1 minute Medhans. Beta,
Yes.
in your class, every type of children is there. I am okay. By going in group, then I understood every type of children are there. Super genius and weak children also are there. So I'm not talking about the children of your category. I'm talking about those children who are a bit slow learner.
Sir, I'm just asking the meaning of that word, sir. Orthogonal to each other.
Perpendicular.
Okay.
1 second. हाँ बेटा, Medhans, your question is already yes told, no?
Yes, sir. I got now, sir. That full question I got it, sir.
Which problem you are doing? You do this problem now, which is on the screen.
This I did, sir. I mean, yesterday I was having a doubt, sir. I thought to ask today, sir. I got clarity, sir.
You understood it?
Yes, sir. Understood.
145 meter you got. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
tell me distance between 6th and 7th drop.
0.01.
Time 2 seconds. Time 2 seconds.
0.13 meters.
कितना बेटा?
0.13 meters.
No, wrong answer.
0.01 meters.
0.0.
0.0 is the wrong answer. I have asked you distance between 6th drop and 7th drop.
0.05 meters. 0.05 meters.
Very good, beta. Answer is 0.05 meter. Now, last May, this boy had given answer correctly. Only this boy have understood the method.
5x, no, sir. 5 into 0.01.
Yes.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा. May I move to next problem?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर.
एक बार explain करूं?
Sir, once explain distance between 6 and 7.
All my boys, listen to me. Beta, related to learning, I always give to children upper hand. You can ask me frankly, beta. I will get anger. I will scold you only for indiscipline, except that I will never say anything. So if a child will tell me, sir, I didn't understand, I will not blame child. I'll blame myself. Do you want that I should again explain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So this is based on H proportional to T squared. Am I right?
Sir.
That boy should speak who has told to me to explain. Okay? No answer. The child who has asked me, from that child I am asking. Beta, H proportional to T square for a freely falling body. Yes or no? The boy who had asked me to.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा yes yes बोलते जा बेटा. Regular time interval is T.
Sir.
So 8th drop T, 7th drop 2T, 6th drop 3T, 5th drop 4T, 4th drop 5T, 3rd drop 6T, 2nd drop 7T, 8th drop, first drop 8T. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. H proportional to T squared. So 8th drop X, 7th drop 2 into 2 squared, 4x, 3 squared, 9x, 4 squared, 16x, 5th drop 25x, 6th drop 36x, 7th drop 49x, 8th drop 64x. Yes or no?
Sir.
Very good. Now first drop is on the ground, 9th drop comes out. The height of tap from the ground is 0.64 meter. So 64x is 0.64 meter.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Total understood, sir.
Understood. Very
Yes,
good. Beta, this is a trick developed by me. Anywhere you will not get in any book, any text, any teacher will not give you. So beta, learn this. This is the fastest technique. Challenge is there. Anyone can solve this problem faster than this. Okay, beta?
Sir.
So you learn this technique, beta, it will be very, very useful. And I'm 100% sure they will ask you one problem on this model.
Sir, please once again can you explain?
Sir, this will be provided in question only, no, sir? 0.64 meter.
I have
Okay, sir.
beta.
That only I was confused, sir.
0.64 meter I had given you. In the problem, this will be different. They will tell
Okay, sir.
1.28 meter, they will tell 3 meter, they will tell 4 meter.
I was confused there, sir. That's it.
Listen,
I understood, sir.
They will tell 9 drop, they may say 5 drop, they may say 6 drop, they may tell 3 drop. Number will be changed, beta, but model is same. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
5 drop and 9 drop, I have taken 2 problems for you. Now, if they are asking, they may change numerical value.
No, sir.
हाँ बेटा ask.
Sir, your first drop is the which one, sir? Means diagram I didn't understand.
हाँ diagram में थोड़ा सा गलती बेटा ये नहीं है.
That's what, sir. First drop should be near ninth drop.
Here it is. First drop is on the ground, ninth drop is coming out. Here is the tap. And this is ground.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta?
Someone please explain, sir.
हाँ बेटा?
Sir, here how to find distance between second and seventh drop, sir?
The second drop कहाँ है बेटा? Second drop here it is 49x.
Yes, sir. 49x.
And which drop you have asked?
Seventh, sir.
Seventh here it is 4x. 49 minus 4, 45x answer. Answer is 0.45 meter.
Okay, that's all. Sir,
Yeah.
then, sir, this x how to take one still, sir?
X beta, the first drop is on the ground, ninth drop is from the tap coming out. So 64x is nothing but distance of tap from the ground, height of tap from the ground.
Okay, they'll give that, sir, in question.
They will give height of tap.
Okay, sir.
All my children understood?
Yes, sir.
Moving to next model. Permission is there?
Sir, so 64x we have to subtract the multiple of 9 and write, that's all.
Beta, that's all.
Okay, sir.
You yourself take any. You yourself take and tell me. I will give answer. You tell me question. You tell me any drop you take.
Sir, once take 10th drop and do, sir, same one.
10th drop is not coming out, na?
Sir, if it will come, how to do?
Sir,
Once,
when second
one
drop
problem.
touches the ground, 10th drop will start coming out, no sir?
Yes. So second drop will be first drop and 10th drop will be 9th drop.
Yes, sir.
They will not ask you that. Don't create like that, beta. Genuinely you create now. You can take in between first and 9 only. No, how can you take 10th or 12th, beta? Whatever drops are in air, only for that you will be taking distance. Na? The drop which is completely inside pipe, how can you take that? You tell me. Are you following my logic?
Yes, sir. Means it will not be in straight line, no, sir.
Already they had asked this question. This one. This one already in IIT already they had asked. Multiple competitive exam this problem was there.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
1 second, beta. 1 second you give to me. Put your doubt.
Sir, is this all drops are moving in a constant velocity, no, sir? Uniform velocity.
No, beta. With constant acceleration, g is there, beta. You have taken h proportional to t square. With constant velocity, h will be proportional to t, no, beta.
Yes, sir.
It is with constant acceleration, so distances are different, beta. If constant velocity will be there, no, then it will be x, 2x, 3x, 4x, like that it will come. Okay?
Yes, sir. It means it is moving with constant acceleration, no, sir?
Beta, yes.
Yes. Okay.
May I move to now new model? Better
Okay,
try speed also catch na. Because new people, there will be some students beta who will be very, very intelligent. They will be bored by staying in one problem for so much time. Yes, new model is in front of you. HTth, g by 2 2t minus 1. So HTth is proportional to 2t minus 1. So ratio of distances traveled by a freely falling body in first, second, third, fourth seconds will be that. So 2t minus 1, t1, 1, t2, 3, t3, 5, t4, 7, so on. So for a freely falling body, ratio of distances traveled in first, second, third, fourth seconds will be 1:3:5:7:9:11:13 dash dash. Did you follow this line? Did you understand this line?
Yes, sir.
Every child will understand that line, but I told you no. Concept is easy, application is too tough, beta.
Sir, is it moving with constant?
Beta, any freely falling body, you yourself tell me, variable acceleration, have you seen in any derivation? You yourself tell. Beta, till now, whatever problem you have done, all are with constant acceleration only or constant velocity only.
Okay.
You are taking, dekh beta, a simple logic I am giving you. If it will be variable acceleration, na? Wait, I'm coming on whether I'm places there, so I can make it. Yes. See, beta, if there will be variable acceleration, na? You can see me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If there will be variable acceleration, no, I'm directly to you, I'm telling, I'm not seeing a screen. Whenever there will be variable acceleration, put up in your mind, without using differentiation or integration, you cannot solve the problem. The simplest model in the beginning I had given you, where S equal to TQ plus TA square, like that I had given, and I asked you velocity and acceleration. And there, what you have done, you have differentiated displacement with respect to time to get velocity. You have differentiated velocity with respect to time to get acceleration. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So put in your mind, Medhans is raising hand. 1 second, Medhans. So remember.
No, sir, I'm not raising hand.
Okay, now your hand is down. You always remember, beta, whenever there will be variable acceleration, guaranteed you'll have to use calculus, either integration or differentiation. And at present in your syllabus, we strictly follow, beta, in Narayana rules and regulations. We strictly follow the schedule, beta. In your schedule, this week also, you have one-dimensional motion with constant acceleration. In horizontal direction with constant acceleration, I have taught you 1 second from college, beta, 1 second, 1 minute.